Welcome to my channel, my name is Robo and today we're gonna be unboxing and review the new Nanlite, Pivot Tube 15. It's the new one. Nice bag, I can tell you right away. This you can bring anywhere you want. It's gonna be safe. It's nice to just bring it around. Very creative. Very nice. Circle, which like folds everything. And I can see here already that you can put 1, 2, and 3. You can have a set of this, and then you're set for life. So first one here, I can feel it. The Pivot Tube. So there it is. The beast looks professionals. The cords. I love this one. Nanlite always do a very good job in this Velcro stuff. I think it's very, very nice because I hate when things are like, you know what I mean? All over the place, especially when you're recording. This one too, little cord here too. This one I assume that you can like hang on stuff. Manual, Pivot Tube 215X. Little extra accessory, feels nice here. That you can just like screw on a tripod or whatever you want, or you can put like a little zip tie here, very nice, and then zip on your base or whatever you want, and then lock the light. That's it. Muito bom. What's on the third one? The surprise. Nada. Oh, there's one more zipper here. Guess you can put things here, or you can live like this to be safe and secure. If it hits on the side, it's that, not your light. Okay. Here we have the light. The material is very nice, super strong. The base, I can tell it's very, very strong. If you put like this, you can use like this. Both sides, like the Pivot Tube 6, you can have like a little screw to put on your tripod and stuff. But this one you have 1, 2, 3, 4. No, yeah, 1, 2, 3. It's not two sides, sorry. The other side here is the battery, DMX, and the 15 watts. Same thing, you can plug and use as you go if you want for long shoots. Battery capacity 14.8 watt. The menu here is a little bit different than the Pivot Tube 6, so you don't press, you just like turn this on. Same thing, USB-C modes, CCT. You can press up and down. You're gonna be able to control. It's very, very bright. And when you bring it up, the battery is gonna tell you the time here. It's gonna go down because you're consuming more power. But if you bring it down, the hour of the battery goes up. Let's see how bright this is. Right now, the CCT, it's 56. Very nice, very, very good. If you put this here, or you can even put like on your studio, boom, you can use both, one in the opposite side of each other. There is other accessories as well that you can like hook this and magnet to the wall, screw things here, hang from the ceiling. Just gonna bring this down. Same thing, CCT, you're gonna be able to go from 2700K to 120,000, 10,000, 12,000, 12. Because it's very, very bright, very, very light, super, super nice. I like this color a lot, love it. The GM, you can do that too, the same thing. If you press mode, switch, press plus, you're gonna give the green look. And then if you bring it down, it's gonna activate the magenta look. There we go. So you can have full control of your settings and your light. 0 mode, we have the dim. You can change the hue, which is the color. You can change every single color that you want. I love this. The dim is 35. Let's bring it 100. Oh, super, super bright. I love this. Live like this on the back. Out of frame, in frame, everything will look cool. Then the hue, you can press. Same thing. You're gonna be able to change the color that you want. All the colors. Saturation, mine, I like to leave it 100. So it's very, very, very strong, the color that I want. That's it. Boom. Effects, same thing. Firework, you can switch the speed, the color that you want. Scroll. This is a new effect that I like it a lot. Look at this. All the pixels here are going, but you're still able to see the other colors. So you can adjust the color that you want, and you can even make like the effect of the car, like a tonal and stuff. If you go in the app, you're able to control the speed and whatever you want, what color you want, the way that you want, and I think that's pretty neat. Screw, love that. The dim colors, you can pick here 3, 2, 3 colors, 4 colors. That's the max that you can activate here. And the speed 100. Screw, that's it. Channel, same thing. You can connect to a lot of channels. Here mine is channel 3, channel 3, language English and Chinese. DMX mode, you can put the RGB 16-bit, 8-bit, 16-bit. Level 1, you can put all the way to level 8. Wireless, same thing. You are able to connect via Bluetooth, and you are able to connect with the NAND box. This one is like a wireless transmission, and you're able to connect multiple lights at the same time as well. If the light doesn't have the Bluetooth system, you can connect with this. So that is that. And if you want to connect, you can just reset the wireless and connect to your phone. And you can always update and make sure that everything is ready to go. Very, very nice. Channel 3, then boom, we are back to the beginning again. And if you do some settings and you don't want any kid to touch, you can press lock and hold. Boom, you see there is a little locker there that's gonna do this. Then if you press again, it's open again, so you're able to switch to whatever you want, and you can use charge and just do whatever you want at the same time. Very, very nice, very, very powerful, and I love NAND light. Literally super, super good. And like I said, they have a nice custom service as well. They are always replying, always in touch with the creators or of the people, the client, whatever. And they have like a group on Facebook where people always keep in touch and change and talk about like what can improve or what they have any difficulties and stuff, and they always try to support. So that's a nice plus for the product. Let's jump on the app. Let me just go here, mode, reset, 15x, done. Like I said, I'm gonna get in depth in a different video how to link and how to use all the effects using the app and the box, but for now, add fixture via Bluetooth. Boom, everything's here. Very, very bright, I know. So here, same thing, color temperature. Yeah, it's from 2700K, 10,000, 12,100. And let's see here, CCT mode, as HSI mode here on the app. It's very, very cool because you can pick the color that you want, just click. And if you have a photo or a color that you want to copy, let's say the chord here, it's a little bit red. I took the photo, I press done, and it's gonna go. Let's try to do it again with a blue, done. Oof, very, very nice. Like that a lot. Effects mode, that's where everything is like unlocked and you can do crazy stuff on the app. Speed, you can do that. Hue, but let me go to my favorite effect here. You already know, police car. Where is the other one that I like a lot? Is the pixel effect. This one, you can go to hue loop and you have even more crazy things. Rainbow, super, super sick. Speed, dim, forward, backward, you can change whatever you want. Driving, this one is sick. Ambient, you can bring to 0. And then if you keep beside your car, look at that. Oh, so sick, man. So sick. Street light, you can click here as well. You can change the color that you want. Super, super cool. I like that a lot. This calls driving. Hue loop, CCT loop, instant loop, multicolor, so you can pick the colors that you want as well. It's gonna like keep it going, keep it going. You can go HSI as well, so you can pick whatever color you want. And you're gonna keep creating things, man. This is literally unlock all the possibilities for the filmmaking, music video, all this cool stuff. Pixel effect. So that's it. That's it. I'm not gonna get in depth here because we're gonna be doing a video specific for how to connect and use all these effects with the Bluetooth and with the Wi-Fi. Okay, so that's pretty much it for me, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any product that you want me to review, information is gonna be down below. Leave your like to support this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.